Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I'm so happy you found me. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make this beautiful home wall decor piece. Let me show you how to make it. To get started on our project today, you're going to need one of these wood rounds. It's just called a wood hanging decor. And this is about 11 3/4 inch in diameter. You're also going to need one of these wood words. Now they have a couple different ones to choose from. They have home, family, or believe. Home or family would work well on this. And you only need one. You get 2 in a package. I really do like these. They did a very nice job. They're nice and thick and laser cut. You're also going to need some kind of stain. I'm going to be using Minwax Premium Oil Wood Finish, and this is in the color Gunstock 231. Here on your plaque, you want to go ahead and remove the jute cord because you don't want to get any stain on it. Once it's dry, we can put it back in. And then when you're working with stain, you really want to use gloves to protect your hands and something to protect your surface. And I just like to use an old 100% cotton washcloth. And with stain, a little bit goes a long way. So I just dip in a very small amount and start with that. And you can see just simply wiping on the wood, it goes right on, so it makes quick work of doing this. Now you can choose whichever color stain you like, whatever suits your style or your home. Isn't that pretty? And if the color isn't dark enough for you, just give it about 10 or 15 minutes and then go over it a second time. That looks so pretty. Really brings out the wood grain. Now my pieces are dried. I really do like that color. It's a little more on the red side than I thought it was going to be, but I still think it's very pretty. Now I did go ahead and put my jute cord back in there, and then here on the back, just because these are just slip knotted, I add a little bit of hot glue around there to make sure that that doesn't fail when it's hanging on the wall. Next, you're going to need some of the vinyl paper that you can get in the Crafter Square section. Now, you can use this one, which I really like. This is small. This is only, and this is 4.5 inches by 48 inches. Now you can use this size or you can use the full size. They do have some really pretty other floral paper that has more of a blue background. But I really loved this. I'm very much into florals and I really do like little roses. So we want to place a little strip here of this beautiful paper vinyl. So you just need to measure. You want to make sure that that's going to come out 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch past either side. Now if you look close to the pattern, it does have a right side up and an upside down. If you look at the little florals, a lot of the flower heads are all facing in the same direction. That's your top. Go ahead and remove the backing so that we can place the vinyl. Now I'm just going to eye this. I have this nice little tool that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. It's one of the imitation Cricut tools, and this is made to help get out all those little air bubbles. So just kind of start in the middle and gently push everything out. And I can see it's working nicely. Once you've worked out all of your air bubbles, go ahead and turn that over. Now we're going to do a little trimming. You want to leave like 3/4 of an inch because we're going to wrap that around. But I want it to be clean and not bulky. Now to help me get this to wrap around this curve smoothly, I'm just going to take my scissors and give it a couple notches, probably about every inch. Just give it a little notch. That will allow me to get a nice, smooth, clean wrap around this curve. Nice, clean, and smooth. So once you get that wrap, just check your edges if you need to. Just kind of go over them, make sure they're nice and clean and they are well secured. Very happy with that. I have this really pretty, pristine white lace. I want to trim out this stripe. I want to put a piece at the top here and a piece at the bottom. Now this has more of a straight edge and then a wavy edge. So on the top here, the straight edge is going to be down, and then on the bottom, I'm going to flip it so that the straight edge is against this center stripe. Again, leave your piece about a 1/2 inch long on either side so that you can wrap it around. Now, I believe I picked this lace up. I think this is one that I got at Michael's. But I know Walmart carries lace like this, and Michael's. I like to use it when I'm trimming out things like this. And this is just called Simplicity. And it also says www.simplicity.com. So you could always go there if you wanted to order some. I think it is very pretty. Now to attach this, I'm going to add just a few little drops of hot glue. I'm going to start at one end. Just to kind of get it tacked down. You need to be careful when you glue down lace like this because it can easily change the shape and not look straight. So you need to lay it down a small section at a time to make sure that you get it nice and straight. And then to secure that lace, just wrap it around the back and glue it down. I always like to use something that will not help me not burn myself when I do something like this. I like these. These are 100% silicone utensils you can get at Dollar Tree. Any 100% silicone utensil will work. The 100% silicone, the hot glue, if it gets on it, will dry and then it just wipes off. So it makes for a really nice tool when you're working with hot glue. Now, if you're a person who doesn't like unfinished backs, you can simply take a piece of the craft paper like I have here on my table and glue that on the back, or felt. Anything like that will work to cover up the back when you're finished. I'm going to attach my other piece of lace. I have both of my pieces of lace on. I'm really happy with that. I love that look. Now, I just wanted to mention this does say permanent paper vinyl. You can use any size that they have. If you want, you can cover just the whole bottom half and only do partial lace. That is up to you. It all depends on what you can find in your store. Now I'm going to attach my home sign here. And I want to place it a little off to the side. It's still kind of in the middle. Just like that. And I'm going to attach it using a combination of the Aleene's Original Tacky Glue. This glue is really good. Once it fully sets up, it is nice and sturdy and it is weather resistant. And I'm going to use that and some hot glue to get that down. If you enjoy hauls, crafts, and learning new craft techniques, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do upload new content every week. And if you hit the notification bell when it pops up, you'll be the first to know every time I upload new content. A little stiff paintbrush will help you remove any glue strings. Those little suckers always get everywhere. Oh, it looks so cute. I absolutely love it. Now to finish this off, I just want to add a little bit of some greenery and some florals. So I pulled out some lamb's ear. And let's see, I think I got the lamb's ear at Walmart. Then I also have a little bit of roses, but I also really liked these. And these are wildflowers that you can get from Dollar Tree. These I got from Walmart. They were on clearance for 25 cents, these little roses. This is all I have left. I absolutely love these. But I really like the lamb's ear. I like that texture. It's very soft. For your convenience, in the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials I used to make this beautiful home wall decor. And with these, they also have a little bit of interesting greenery too. It has a little bit of white on there. So whatever florals that you can find that are in the same color tones with whatever type of vinyl you're going to use. So I like to just kind of play with everything, get a little bit of a general idea of how I kind of want to lay things out. I'm going to start to get my leaves glued down here. And again, I'm just going to eye it. I've attached one stem of the lamb's ear on, and I'm really liking the look. I made a simple bow using the white lace and floral wire. Attach your bow with a dab of hot glue. I have my bow on. I'm really happy with that. I decided I want to keep that really simple, so I'm just going to add one single flower right there in the center. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. And there you go, we are all done. I am really happy with the end result. This is the first time that I have worked with the Dollar Tree vinyl, and I'm really happy. It did exactly what I was hoping it would do. It is a little thin, so I would be cautious when you are working with it. But I'm very pleased with how everything turned out. I especially love working with the stain. It makes that wood just really pop, and it gives it such a wonderful glow to the wood, making it look very high end. Well, I'm very pleased with this. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and give me some love in the comments. And if you know anyone who would enjoy my content, please share it with them. Thanks again for stopping by. You know it's always a pleasure to see you. I hope everyone is staying happy, healthy, and strong. You have a great day, and I'll see you next time.